This is a black hole, one of the strangest things in our universe. But what is a black hole and how do they form? Let's understand the science of these most mysterious objects in our universe. A black hole is a region in space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. They are formed when huge amount of matter is compressed into a very small space, and because gravity at surface of an object is directly proportional to its mass and inversely proportional to square of its radius, their gravity is too strong. Let's imagine that there are two planets. One is our own Earth and other one is Minor. They both have same mass, but Minor is half the size of Earth, so gravity at Minor surface will be 4 times of our Earth. And a spaceship on Minor will require more velocity in order to escape from its gravity than on Earth. This velocity is also known as the escape velocity. It also depends upon the mass and size of the object. For Earth, this value is almost equal to 11.2 kilometers per second. But if we compress our Earth to a very small sphere of radius approximately equal to 9 mm, this velocity will be equal to the speed of light. If we compress our Earth even more, its value will become greater than the speed of light and light will never be able to escape from it. In short, you will be having a small black hole in front of you. But who compresses the object in our universe in order to form black holes? Generally, black holes are formed when a star collapses in upon itself. To understand how a black hole is formed, we first need to understand how a star works. A star is like a balloon. The pressure of air inside it expands the balloon and the tension in rubber tries to contract it. The balloon will remain stable until both forces are equal. Similarly, stars have huge amount of hydrogen in their core that fuses into helium and releases tremendous amount of energy. This energy balances out the force of gravity to keep the star stable. But there is one problem. Just like the air inside the balloon escapes out slowly and the balloon starts contracting, starts to run out of fuel. If the stars are massive enough, they fuse helium into carbon and carbon into further heavier element until they reach iron. The problem is that the fusion process that creates iron doesn't generate any energy, and as a result, the force of gravity starts contracting the star. The star collapses and dies in a supernova explosion that creates either a neutron star, or if the star is massive enough, it will become a black hole. On April 10, 2019, researchers published the first ever real image of a supermassive black hole situated at the center of Messier 87 galaxy. But we can see black holes, right? Then how are they able to take a picture of this? Well, the image actually shows the accretion disk, which is a super hot dense disk of matter that spins around the black hole. Black holes are mysterious, right? We don't know what happens beyond the event horizon. Maybe there is a shortcut to another universe, or it is a path to never-ending nothingness. Although we still don't know a lot about them, but it doesn't mean that we can never find those answers.